Hey, welcome back. So, we're doing O-Level Biology 5090, and right now we're on Chapter 7, Transport in Flowering Plants. I've got the topical notes ready for you for this unit as well. You'll find them right there in the description and in the comments, so you can grab them easily. Today, we're starting Unit 7.2, Transpiration and Translocation. Alright then, let's get started. So, here's what's on our checklist for this section. These are the syllabus points we'll explore together. So, we have the first specification number 1, which says, describe transpiration as the loss of water vapor from leaves. Transpiration begins when water evaporates from the surface of the leaves into the surrounding air. To replace this lost water, the veins in the leaves transport more water from within the plant. This water is drawn upward through the stem from the roots, creating a continuous flow. The roots, in turn, absorb water from the soil to maintain this supply. So, here's the key definition you need to remember. Transpiration is simply the process where a plant loses water vapor, mostly through these tiny openings on the leaves called stomata. Transpiration is the process in which water absorbed by the roots from the soil travels upward through the plant via xylem vessels. These vessels transport both water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves. The upward movement is driven by capillary action, cohesion, and adhesion, along with the transpiration pull caused by water evaporating from the leaves. Once in the leaves, water enters the mesophyll cells, which are the sites of photosynthesis. Let's talk about transpiration. Water is a key player in photosynthesis. It's used to make glucose, the plant's food, through a chemical reaction powered by sunlight. Inside the mesophyll cells, there are air spaces that allow gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water vapor to move around. Here's what happens. Water evaporates from the mesophyll cells into these air spaces, and then it diffuses out through the stomata into the atmosphere. This loss of water vapor isn't just a side effect, it's actually really important. It helps pull more water up from the roots through the xylem, brings in nutrients, and even cools the plant. In short, transpiration keeps water and nutrients flowing through the plant, which is vital for its survival and growth. And if we look at the diagram, we can spot key parts like the movement of water molecules, the xylem vessels, the spongy mesophyll cells, the guard cells, and the stoma. That's the little opening where the water vapor escapes.